facing the unknown. Find a comfortable place, sit or lay down. Slowly close your eyes. Take a few moments in this position and adjust yourself if needed. When you feel comfortable, feel the ground beneath your body. Imagine how your body is allowing the ground to support you. With every breath, you are becoming more relaxed. Focus on your breathing and gently observe it. There is nothing you need to change. Just observe your inhale and your exhale. If you catch your thought escaping, all you need to do is gently focus back on your breathing. Focus on how every breath feels when the air enters your nose and travels down all the way to the stomach. Put one hand on your chest and the other one on your belly. Observe how they rise with every breath and how they lower with every exhale. Observe your breathing in silence. Now focus your attention on visualization of any unfamiliar situation. One that you don't know exactly how it will look like. I suggest you select childbirth, but you can choose a different one if you wish so. In your mind, look around. Where are you? Have a good look at your surroundings. What color is it? How big is the space? Is there anyone with you? Is there a sound you can hear? What does it smell like? Have a good look around. Now feel your body in this unfamiliar space. How does this moment make you feel? Now imagine your body being surrounded by a bubble of safety. The bubble feels comfortable and familiar. Have a good look at your bubble. What color is it? What consistency is it? Visualize as clear as possible the unfamiliar surroundings and your body in a safe bubble. Imagine your body relaxing with every breath. You are inhaling safety and calm into your body. In silence, take a few moments to observe your body relaxing more and more in these unfamiliar surroundings. Slowly move your toes, then your fingers. Feel how the life is returning into them. Move your hands and your legs. Move your head around, then your entire body. You can stretch out and then slowly open your eyes. Look around and embrace your surroundings. Gently embrace yourself with both hands and recall the feeling of safety. Say to yourself out loud, I am safe, everything will be okay.